Hi, my name is Nikka and I'm a mom. I'm addicted to clay, which is why my shop is called Clay Bomb. This is how I wanted to start my year by cleaning my baby's playroom. This is my first time vlogging and honestly I feel very anxious about it. I'm really shy but I know I need to step out of my comfort zone. I've been working with clay since 2015 and started selling internationally full-time in 2017. Over the years, I've focused on creating figure commissions and it's been a fulfilling journey filled with growth and learning. I'll admit there have been moments when I felt envious of other artists who seem to find success quickly, growing their businesses within months. Meanwhile, I've been on this path for nearly 10 years and I'm still working toward my vision of success. But I've come to realize that every artist's journey is unique and success is not just about speed. It's about staying true to yourself and your passion. I also know that I have the power to shape my future and I'm ready to take responsibility for the changes I want to see. I'm deeply grateful to everyone who has supported me along the way, whether through kind words, encouragement, and their trust in my art. This year, I'm committing to being more transparent and consistent in my craft and business because deep down, I know this is what I meant to do, what I truly want to dedicate my life to. It's never too late to grow, and I'm excited to see where this journey will take me next. I love clay. It's incredible to turn something so simple into anything I imagine, even if it means sacrificing sleep. I cherish every moment I spend creating. Being a mom isn't easy. I get stressed and distracted, but I feel lucky to work from home and take care of my baby at the same time. It's not always perfect, but this balance lets me pursue what I love while being present for my family. Each day I grow as an artist and a mom, and I'm excited to see where this journey takes me next. Starting today, you'll see more of me and my art making, mostly focused on charms and creations using polymer clay. I'm switching to polymer clay because it allows me to stop anytime whenever my baby needs me. This also means I can work during the day, but I'll probably work more at night. When I work with clay, I prefer doing it continuously and without interruptions so I can stay focused. I also want to start vlogging everything that happens in my business from now on. That way, in the future, when I become successful, I can look back at where I started and how I got there. Here I am thinking that this room is perfect for my art space, but it's so small. My dream is to expand it someday. I try to stay positive all the time because I want to attract positivity into my life. I know I can do this as long as I give it my best. I may not be rich, but I have big dreams, and I know I can achieve them through my art and with the support of my husband. This is Eunice's reaction when she woke up from her nap. I always make sure to spend a little time playing with her before I start working or cooking.
Wow! All clean! Ayun talaga una mong pinuntahan ah. Woo! All clean na no? Huh? Yes. What's that? Pag nakakalat na, hindi mo nilalaro.
Later at night, we take some time to exercise. Eunice is a very active toddler and you'll see how she loves playing with us.
Nes, alis ka dyan.
Kaya nga siya natutuwa.
Poy, 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 poy. Apo, poy, 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 poy.
All done na, all done. Ah!
We're on a mission to shed our holidays bellies. I want to show you my father's work. Everything you'll see is made by him. Stickers he created using his own stencils and carefully cut out by hand. I'm really proud to be his daughter and I believe I inherited his passion and talent for art. When he was still alive, my father told my mom that he wanted me to remember him and be proud of his creations. Outside our house, there's a post he painted with vibrant, colorful, and dotted designs. It's now a landmark because it's so unique. Even our house is colorful, just like his work. Now that my baby is asleep, it's time to get to work. I'm storing my air dry clays and spraying them with distilled water to keep them soft. I also love writing and jotting down the goals I want to achieve. I'm heading to the post office to deliver some orders. I'm walking because the dental clinic is near the post office and I'm going to have my third molar removed. This was supposed to be a full tutorial but some of the videos were corrupted and missing. I am using Jove air dry clay. As you all know, I don't usually use this type of air dry clay because it's too brittle for me and messy to work with. But I've seen some artwork where people make paint palette with it and I'm curious if they really can use it for that. So here I am, I'm wanting to create something like that and test it out afterwards. I am using jumbo popsicle sticks to get the clay at the right thickness. I think I'm using 4 chopsticks on each side, but it really depends on how thick you want it to be. Then I wrap everything together with paper masking tape. I'm popping the bubbles because I need it to be smooth as possible. I smooth it out before drying because I don't like sanding. These are what I made, and I only use my X-Acto knife to smooth them out a bit. I can also use my nails. Please be kind to me. I don't really know how to draw, or I'm not very good at it. Here are the finished pieces. They are all glazed using UV resin. I'm not sure why they got these yellow stains, but they didn't have them when I was glazing. Or maybe I just didn't notice it because it was dark when I was doing it. I love how the Totoro paint palette turned out. Now let's try using them. Okay, so the paint cannot be easily removed and it actually stained the palette a bit. These charms are my new design. I haven't posted them yet, so you guys are the first to see them. I'll be listing them this month on my shop. The UV resin definitely made them waterproof. I turned the other designs into magnets. Oh, the egg is perfect. We love eggs. And I think I will make a bunny with eggs. This time I'll test if I can remove the paint after it dries on it. As I expected, the paint stained the palette and I couldn't even remove it with water. That's all guys. Thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog.